Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on NIO. They're having a pretty good day. Looks like you could have got the dip at 33.75, and it's gone up to 36.18. So not too bad. Up about 6%. $2.01 so far. This is NIO. Ticker is NIO. As you can see, I have it here on Robinhood. I have some more in a retirement account. You pretty much should be able to buy this on any brokerage. If you don't know what NIO is, my cost basis is above. I bought, I'd have to go back and see when I bought, and I've just been holding it, but it's went down since I bought. So this is an EV maker, SUVs and so on. I've covered this one numerous times, electric vehicles. Been around since 2014. 82 million shares average trading, and almost $56 billion market cap. So, and not too bad of ratings on this one, 63%. And here's a look at their earnings. So it's good here, good. Missed this one and made up for it there. So looks like I bought mine back in November. Was kind of getting to a high point, and probably should have waited, but it was on its way up, and I got some FOMO probably, and got 3 shares. I think I bought NIO, Li Auto, and Xpeng all at the same time, all in the same day. So still holding them all, and they're all down. I think I'm in the red on every one of them. But NIO's got some information out here today, and MSN shows it as a buy here. Over here to bar chart, again NIO, and here's the day low, the high. So we're about to hit the high again. 45 million on trading today, and here's kind of a chart over the last 3 months. So as you can see, kind of what it's done, it's been on its way down. So as I usually say, provides a buying opportunity, but unfortunately I haven't bought any more of this one. So not saying I'm not going to, I just haven't. So money's been going elsewhere. So again, market cap, annual sales of and their annual income, and all the rest of the financials. And here's some implied volatility, the put call volume ratio. I just started using bar chart. One of my subscribers left it in the comments, and I'm kind of liking it. Quite a bit of information here. So thank you again for recommending that. But it's again showing it as a moderate buy here out of 9 analysts. 4 as a strong buy, 1 moderate, and 4 as a hold. So almost, if we could get 1 more, and then it would be 5 on a strong buy, so that'd be more than half, but might get back to that place. CEO on a new targeting high-end market gives EV maker an advantage, and this is just dated 9 hours ago. So the CEO believes the Chinese EV makers' approach of targeting the premium segment from the beginning gives it a higher chance of success, reported on Sunday. I think the approach of targeting the high-end market has a higher probability of success than doing it for market that sells for $100,000 or $15,500 US instead. There are many reasons behind this, including taxes and the cost of batteries. During a speech delivered at a financial forum held in Tsinghua University, as per the report. And here's some further information. Feel free to pause and go over that. You can find this on MSN Money. NIO has previously said that it is not seeing any serious competition in the premium EV segment in China. Li had noted that while several local players are mimicking NIO's technology, user, community, contact, and direct service model, it will be difficult for others to build a premium brand, primarily due to pricing pressure. And so here it goes over the relying on service of offerings, battery as a service. I've covered some of that in my past videos. NIO shares almost 0.8% lower on Friday's trading at $34.06. NIO renews manufacturing contract with China's state-owned JAC, doubling capacity. And as you can see, this is just dated 4 hours ago. So the NIO announced a renewal Monday with the manufacturing agreements of JAC and the manufacturing technology. JAC is a Chinese state-owned auto manufacturer that manufactures NIO's vehicles, including the ES8, 6, EC6 models, and the JAC NIO manufacturing plant in Hefei, a joint venture between JAC and NIO. The renewed agreement that runs from May 2021 to May 2024 will require JAC to continue manufacture and potentially other NIO models in the pipeline. According to NIO, has also agreed to expand annual production capacity to 240,000 units based on 4,000 work hours per year. April expects a monthly production at the plant to be 10,000 units. That would be estimated capacity of 120,000 units per year, and looking to expand. So momentum has accelerated since the 19 induced softness in February 2020. Company is on track to roll out its fourth mass-produced model, the ET7, in its final quarter of 2022. And as I showed you the stock price, I'm still holding this one, so I'm a long-term investor on this one. But like I said, I haven't bought any more on Robinhood. I have some more NIO in a retirement account, and I just don't feel that I need any more at this point in time. So if I buy any more, we'll be on one of the dips, and I'll probably make a video about it, an updated video about it. So this goes over their renew key joint manufacturing agreements. Street sees 76.3% upside, so this could be a big catalyst for the stock price. And again, kind of some of the same information that we've went over, the joint venture, so I'll just slowly scroll through it. There's not too much different information in here, but for those of you that like the smartanalyst.com view, feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. So how to develop a trading plan for NIO, NIO and other stocks. So this is dated on the 20th, so a couple days ago. To foretell upcoming changes, a current example is provided below. There are trading plans for NIO, but the data in this page does not update in real time. And as you can see here, kind of some of the past technical summary, longer term trading plans for NIO. And like I said, I'm long term on this one, probably 2, 5, more like 10 years to get the biggest return for your investment. Deal to double its production. This is just dated here today. So the EV maker has extended the current manufacturing deal for another 3 years. The manufacturing partner agreed to double the factory's production capacity. Again, kind of some of the same information, just on a different view here on NASDAQ. And this is what the JAC is. So again, this could be a couple good catalysts here for the stock price going forward, and hopefully drive that price up for you, especially after you get all of the shares that you want to. That's how I always look at it. 120 by the end of the year movement, could be. They'll have to do some major turnaround and see. Not much other information there in Reddit. Over here to StockTwits. NIO is when the kids say, "Send it, someone help." Like if you've been holding since $13, I wish that was my cost basis. $40 for safety, keep holding. Everybody that's in this one is pretty much bullish that I can see and is holding. But there is some that trade this, and but I will continue to hold this one. So, and currently at $36.03, showing it as a moderate buy here on TipRanks, a analyst price target of $60 with a 66% upside, high of 81, low of 38.80. So, and we're not even at the low yet. So. That's it for NIO. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have. And if there's any other favorite EV plays out there that you have, whether it be Lee, Xpeng, or Tesla, I have them all. So, and I've made videos about all of them. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.